First, you are going to want to take your post hole diggers and dig 3 feet deep. Next, you will need your 2-inch PVC pipe and a tape measure. You will take the tape measure and measure the hole to make sure it is equal to 3 feet. If it is, then you will put the PVC pipe in the 3-foot hole. Prior to setting the vertical post, I drilled a 1-inch hole through the vertical post using a hole saw bit and drill. This made it easier to drill an even and straight hole for the horizontal pipe. It will also help if you clamp it tight to a bench and drill pilot holes. You drilled may need some fine-tuning with some sandpaper or a Dremel tool if you have one. Next is setting the post. Using the level, you'll want to make sure the pole is straight from the front and side. With a second pair of hands, you will use the stakes and string to make it stand straight. This level, use the bag of post fix. Important, read closely and follow the instructions on the bag. Once mixed, pour the liquid into the hole and allow at least 5 minutes to set properly. Once set, you may need to use some type of cutting tool to trim the excess foam to the ground level. It has the consistency of styrofoam, so it shouldn't be too difficult to cut through. Be careful, do not cut the pole. Finally, glue the caps to the poles. Rake the dirt you have excavated neatly around the pole. Attach your new bird feeder and enjoy. Thank you for watching.